Well, you don't have to be a day trader to be impacted by the stock market, and you don't have to follow financial news to know that GameStop stock has made major headlines over the past few months. WYFF News 4 Investigates found that the trading volume, or the number of shares bought and sold in a single day, peaked for GameStop stock on January 22nd, and it peaked at more than 197 million shares traded in a single day. In fact, we found the 11th highest volume days for the stock over the last 19 years have all come since January 13th. Now, retail traders, or people who trade stocks with their own money, are using their stimulus checks from the federal government to buy even more of the stock. Nigel Robertson learned the pros and the cons of a stock market that is easy to access.
Phone apps like Robinhood, Webull, and TD Ameritrade have made it easier than ever to own stock.
Typically, when you buy a stock, you're buying it because of the earnings, but now it's almost like a popularity contest, and you have price being driven by greed.
Jonathan Burgess owns Big Money Management in downtown Greenville.
Do you want to invest or do you want to gamble?
The GameStop activity was driven through social media, namely Wall Street Bets on Reddit, and users are already making plans to buy more stock when their stimulus check arrives.
Anytime you get advice on anything like that, you have to vet the source.
I just started with $500 2 years ago, and I was just slowly adding to it and finding new people to follow on Twitter.
Daniel Corbin is an upstate engineer with no financial training. He and other do-it-yourself investors who missed out on the skyrocketing price of GameStop turned to other companies.
Like, something's going on. And then I saw the same type of things were getting talked about with AMC, and I got in around 4. And then it went all the way up to 25.
He sold at $19 per share and made enough money on the trade to pay off debt with cash to spare.
I know me and my wife want to get a camper, so we're going to do that probably this spring, summer. So then we can go and do a bunch of family trips because we have 2 kids.
In a volatile market, I mean, I think it's a position where some people, like you said, are positioned to get that camper, but some people are in the position to have to sell the camper. Robinhood has set up a platform to where it's kind of like leaving your gym shoes by the door in the morning, right, to go to the gym. They have made it easy for people to get into investing.
But Burgess believes with ease comes risk.
I think you have to have excess cash and education.
His concern is the education is coming from social media. When people land that excess cash through something like a stimulus check from the federal government. Nigel Robertson, WYFF News 4.
And Burgess gave us 4 things to consider before dropping that stimulus money into an app like Robinhood or purchasing GameStop stock. Get those tips on our story on the Investigates page of WYFF4.com.
Pandemic.